राज कुंद्रा की एक्स वाइफ ने शिल्पा को टैग किया एज अ होम ब्रेकर, जिस पे शिल्पा ने दिया अपना जवाब। वो जानने के लिए बने रहे हमारे साथ और देखें इस वीडियो को एंड तक। शिल्पा शेट्टी was tagged as a home breaker by her husband Raj Kundra's ex-wife Kavita after their marriage. Shilpa Shetty Kundra is a popular name in Bollywood who is well known for her fitness regime and elegant dance move. Owing to her stardom, her personal life has always been in the limelight. शिल्पा ने बिजनेसमैन राज कुंद्रा को 2 साल डेट किया था, जिसके बाद उन्होंने उनसे 2009 में शादी की थी। Before tying the knot with the actress, Raj was married to a daughter of a businessman, Kavita. Reportedly, after Raj's marriage to Shilpa, his ex-wife Kavita accused the actress of being a homebreaker. एक पुराने इंटरव्यू में कविता ने एक्सप्रेस की थी अपनी फीलिंग्स अपने एक्स हस्बैंड राज कुंद्रा की शिल्पा शेट्टी से शादी के बारे में, और उसी में उन्होंने शिल्पा को ब्लेम किया उनकी शादी तोड़ने के लिए और उनको होम ब्रेकर भी बुलाया। कविता ने क्लेम किया था that when she was trying to sort out her marriage with Raj, he only talked about Shilpa. She quoted, "I look at the pictures of them together and think she's with my husband. She's living my life while I was trying to put our marriage back together. He was talking constantly about Shilpa as if it didn't matter what happened to us because he had found someone better, cleverer and more famous than me. He then began pestering me for divorce. I asked him if he planned to marry someone else, but he avoided the question." इन accusations के बाद शिल्पा शेट्टी ने भी एक इंटरव्यू में कविता की बातों का जवाब दिया था। The actor revealed that the tag of homebreaker given to her made her physically ill and it was the worst thing possible. शिल्पा ने क्लेम किया कि उन्होंने राज को बोला था कि वो दोस्त से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकते जब तक राज का डिवोर्स ना हो जाए, and stated, "I am no homebreaker. I made it clear to him that a relationship could go no further than friendship until he had divorced. It actually made me feel physically ill. To be called a marriage breaker was the worst thing possible. It brought such shame onto my parents and I felt so bad for their sake." Shilpa confirmed in 2007 that Raj and she were seeing each other but claimed that she didn't play any part in Raj's divorce from Kavita. राज भी अपनी एक्स वाइफ के कमेंट्स पे शर्मिंदा थे और उन्होंने शिल्पा और उनकी फैमिली से पब्लिकली माफी भी मांगी थी। Raj claimed that Kavita had an affair with his brother-in-law when the latter came to live with them in London for a while. He further added that he caught Kavita cheating on him after he found the text message exchange between her and his brother-in-law. So Raj decided to separate from her. The businessman also added that he has been denied meeting his daughter from the first marriage, who was just 40 days old at that time. Fast forward to today, Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra are going strong even after 15 years of marriage and are blessed with 2 kids, Vian and Samisha. तो आपको क्या लगता है कविता, शिल्पा और राज के स्टेटमेंट्स के बारे में? Let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.